JD Vance just dressed up as a photoshopped edit of himself. If you're not up to date on the internet lore behind this meme, here's a recap. It all started in October of 2024 when Congressman Mike Collins posted this edited version of Vice President JD Vance. Meanwhile, this was the original photograph. While this in itself was not a meme, the internet was quickly to notice and created memes about it. They went from making the vice president look a bit more fat to making him bald with crazy eyes. The edits continued, with this image by SperglerAcolyte going viral. It read, "I have completely forgotten what the real JD Vance looks like at this point." There was also a spinning version made of this image, which is what JD Vance mimicked in his Halloween costume video. These photoshopped versions of JD Vance were going viral in the first half of 2025, and by March of 2025, JD Vance had seen many of these memes himself. This was confirmed by Rosas, who tweeted, "I can confirm Vice President Vance has seen many of the memes and edits of his pictures, and thinks it's a funny trend." On March 8th, he even posted a photoshopped meme of his face, photoshopped on that of Leonardo DiCaprio. He was later also introduced into the South Park universe, also with a photoshopped version of his face. A couple of months went by and ex-user Autism Capital posted this tweet: "If JD Vance doesn't dress up as his own meme for Halloween, it will be one of the missed opportunities of the generation. White House, make this happen." And of course, it happened. He dressed up as his own meme, even saying, "Remember to say thank you."
And remember, say thank you.
This refers to another meme, which started in February of 2025 during an interview with President Donald Trump and President Zelenskyy. During this interview, Vance says, "Have you said thank you once?"
You said thank you once this entire meeting?
This sentence became a meme almost instantly, as this moment was around the same time the photoshopped versions were going viral. These two memes were combined into one by the Vice President of the United States himself. Don't forget to subscribe for more memes explained.